on throughout 2024, we have seen numerous IT trends from generative AI to quantum computing, and I'm sure that cybersecurity has been one of the prominent trends in the industry as well. So if you're looking to upskill in the industry, or you are a mere fresher or beginner who wants to build a career in cybersecurity, then you are at the right place. Before we get started, make sure that you hit the like button and you subscribe to our channel to join the amazing engineers community. Let's begin with the video. First things first, you actually need to get familiarized with the basics. Cybersecurity is all about protecting networks, data, and systems from various cyber threats. In 2025, the need for cybersecurity engineers is only going to rise high. So now is the best time and the perfect time to invest in a career in cybersecurity. So first of all, you actually need to familiarize with the key concepts such as network security, threat detection, and incident response. And the best part is that you don't need to have a prior experience. You just need to have a willingness to learn new things. Just a quick disclaimer, it's good to have a graduate level degree before starting a career in cybersecurity. Let's move on to the next section of this video, where I'm going to give you some of the recommendation courses to build a career in cybersecurity. The first course that I recommend is the CEH V13, or the Certified Ethical Hacker version 13. This course is fantastic for understanding how hackers think and operate, which is important to understand if you want to become a cybersecurity specialist and defend against them. Especially the version 13 of Certified Ethical Hacking is an integration of AI with the different phases of ethical hacking. These phases include reconnaissance, scanning, gaining and maintaining access. In fact, 92% of hiring managers actually prefer candidates with CEH certification for jobs that require ethical hacking skills. After completing this course, you can apply for various fresher level roles such as Certified Ethical Hacker, Incident Response Analyst, and Cybersecurity Analyst. Next up is CompTIA Pentest Plus. This course covers penetration testing and vulnerability assessment. It's a 100% hands-on course, and it gives you all the real-world scenarios that are required to gain hands-on experience. So if you want to gain hands-on experience and want to experience real-world scenarios in cybersecurity industry, then this course is a perfect choice. After completing this course, you can apply for various job roles in the cybersecurity industry, such as penetration tester, cybersecurity analyst, and ethical hacker as well. Last but not the least, we have the CompTIA CySA Plus course. So this is an intermediate level course, and it focuses and emphasizes on threat detection and response through data analysis. After completing these courses, it's crucial to start building your portfolio. At this point, you need to start working on building your personal projects. This could be working on a web blog of your own where you can share all the skills that you have gained. Or you can also build your own lab environment and showcase your skills through it. You can also participate in the Capture the Flag competitions, and you can also contribute your skills in open source security projects. These experiences are invaluable and would ensure that your resume stands out. I know that job hunting can be exhausting. However, networking is key in cybersecurity. There are many ways to find a new job in cybersecurity, especially if you are a fresher. So what you can do is you can go online and join forums and discussion forums. You can also join communities on various platforms or job hunting platforms like LinkedIn. And you can also go in offline events, and at the same time you can attend webinars. The more connections you make, the better are the chances of you finding new job opportunities. So that's about it. Here is your career roadmap for cybersecurity for the year 2025. If you're eager to begin your cybersecurity journey, I have something very special for you. If you want to learn about the basics of cybersecurity and other technologies such as network security, etc., then we have a free access pass. You can check out our free access pass for basic cybersecurity learning, and you can also learn about 10 various technologies such as networking, DevOps, and many more. You can check out the link of the free access pass in our description. But if you're already familiar with the cybersecurity topics and concepts and you want to dive deeper, then you can check out our Cybersecurity Masters program. This course covers 3 main cybersecurity programs such as CEH V13, CompTIA CySA Plus, and CompTIA Pentest Plus. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss on any of our future content.